मेरा नाम कल्याण प्रसाद महतो. I am initiated in ISKCON, so my name is now Kalyan Murti Das. I am serving in ISKCON Paniati, Kolkata. For 16 years, I have served in Indian Navy. Before that, I was in Sainik School, Purulia. From returning from Indian Navy, joined ISKCON Temple, and from there, all these things happened. Like some tantric kriya done on me, and you can see this was my earlier photos. And the same person is turned into a thin one. I lost around 21 kilo in nearly in around 45 days or so. So after that, you can see some things on the hand, like these 4 pieces of wooden tied with some thread or ropes. That was found in my houses, and it was rightly predicted by Maharajji. Yes, definitely. In the night, I was in like the intelligence agency also like this. So I was searching who is that person is who can cut all these things. People can find out that you are in trouble, but who is the person who can solve your problem? So with the help of other persons, we could find out who was doing all these things, and like many ways we could find that this is my brother. He was struck with two times thundering. That was also predicted by Maharajji. And this is my another brother. No, no, no. Actually, they are all devotees of Krishna. So they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and they are connected to Gaudiya Parampara. So definitely, said Krishna in Bengali it's saying that Rakhe Hari Mareke. This is rightly happening. So this is another brother of mine. He's a primary school teacher. He also struck in the thigh, and his femur was broken. But Maharaji said that his target was on his head, and he was supposed to die on that day. Similarly, many things happened to my father and other uncle also. They like that paralysis and other life-threatening disease have been imposed upon them. So it's luckily that after searching so many things, and I was praying sincerely to Krishna that someone should be there available on this world who could solve this whole problem, because people in general will not understand what the problems and suffering we are going through it. Only it's like invisible means. Even you go to the, like I went to the DSP and the police station about this problem, and they, after seeing this, they were started laughing. Well, there is no solution all this of these problems. So they also indicate me, you do this same thing to them. So I was, as a Vaishnava, we should not offend others, so we not did anything. But I thank to Maharaji and all the person related to him. I thank from my core of heart that there is a solution here. So if you don't want to be cheated, please come here and do your tantric cut here. So the only solution is available, at least at present in India. I can assure you that you will get the solution here, right?
कौन-कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स इसके पहले भी आई?
Before joining in Indian Navy, there was no such problem. Like I was, you imagine, a 70 kilo man now became a 48 kilo. Just imagine that's this tantric kriya. Like many things has been done. So they're like, in few days I could understand that someone choked my throat, and I was about to lost my life. It was happening just few days ago, and I was confirmed that I have no COVID and nothing sorts of disease. Why this happening? So I was due to my Guru's mercy, I chanted the Lord Nityananda Prabhu's name, and it was cleared up. And beside the person who was sleeping beside me, he started gargling, and all sorts of nonsense was coming out of his out. Then I also chanted Narsinga mantra. He was all right. So I observed that in few months or ago, while I was urinating, the blood was coming out, and there was a scratch mark on my bodies. Even staying in an ISKCON temple, I was surrounded by so many devotees. Even Lord is there. Even this tantric kriya could affect me. And it's from far away, around 300 kilometers away, this tantric kriya was done upon me. And it is proved, and it rightly said by Prem Swami Maharaj. I am really thankful to him, and thank you for saving me. And like me, all persons who are suffering like this condition. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.